Hello. Now let's talk about rigid and flexible constitution. Now, a rigid constitution is basically considered a written constitution, and a flexible constitution is basically also considered an unwritten constitution. Now, the reason I separated these constitutions is because of examinations. They tend to separate them because of their language. Now, a rigid constitution is just a constitution where cumbersome and stringent procedures have to take place for it to be amended. You see, it's like the same thing as a written constitution. Then a flexible constitution, on the other hand, is one where there are no strong or strict procedures that take place for that constitution to be amended. In our next video, we shall be solving past questions from SSC and UTME to help you in preparations of the examinations.